What did I see at Dollar Tree? Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. I have a small Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. I ended up finding a couple items on my wish list, and because of that I decided to share this haul with all of you. I will go through the items one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to start the haul off, I ended up coming across a couple of cookbooks. And I was planning on doing a DIY with the books, but I also ended up picking up a second set just to keep for myself because I love cookbooks and these ones looked really nice quality. So this is the Valerie Bertinelli cookbook, and again it was really nice quality. I love the pictures on the inside. There's some with her in there as well, which is nice. But really great recipes. It had more of a matte finish on the inside, but I just love looking at the pictures and then always finding new recipes to try out. This one here looked really good. It was a coffee smoothie, so excited to try that out. And then I picked up the Patricia Heaton cookbook, Food for Family and Friends, and again I just went ahead and opened it up to show you the inside. Again, I love the pictures. Sometimes I just want to take the pictures out and frame them, but this looked like a really nice cookbook as well, and I always like adding to my collection from time to time, and then again, of course, trying out some new recipes. then I picked up this foil backsplash wall sticker, and I had not seen any of these designs here, so of course I saw the subway tile and I really wanted to pick that up and try to use it in a space. I still have yet to try these. If you've tried them before, let me know in the comments section below, and let me know as well how they held up. I then stumbled across these new burner covers, at least new to my Dollar Tree. I have not seen these yet, but I loved everything about them. The colors they used, of course the old truck, and I love that for spring they changed it out with this really nice blue. I think the gray and this blue really look nice together with that little touch of white and black around the edge there. Now this was the smaller burner cover. I did not find the larger ones, so hopefully they will be coming out soon, as well as any kitchen towels or oven mitts or trivets, the hot pads. I hope they come out with all of those items, because I definitely will pick them up. I do love this for spring. So finally my Dollar Tree ended up getting the really nice wall art. I haven't yet found any farmhouse ones, but at least they ended up bringing these in. And I only saw them one time. They brought one shipment in, and then I haven't seen anything new. These were just remnants from the first time they brought them around. And so I finally ended up caving in and grabbing this one here that says Sweet Baby with the adorable ice cream cone and the sprinkles all around the edge. I thought it would be cute to add in my reborn painting area. Well, in all my trips to the Dollar Tree, this is the first time that I came across an all-white pom-pom pack. These are by Crafter Square, and there are 80 pieces in the package, so I picked one up. Well, when I went back to pick up some more wooden puzzles from Dollar Tree, I could not find the larger size, but I ended up finding the smaller ones, so I did grab a couple of those. They really sell quickly. I don't know at your Dollar Tree, but at mine they really are a hot item. So again, these are all wood puzzles, and here on the back you can see it is plain. Another item at Dollar Tree that I find sells out quickly are these wooden chalkboard easels. So there is the chalkboard on the front as well as the back, and they have a little stand there at the bottom so that they can stand up. So I finally ended up finding them again, and I picked up a couple. So here is the first item on my wish list. These are the faux wood, faux marble with the metal word in the center, and I'm so happy that I came across these. They also had two other ones, but I only picked up the round, but here I'll insert a picture of the other two. So this was the other item that was on my wish list that I ended up finding, and I grabbed one of each. So here you can see the first one says welcome to our home. The gray one says our family gathers here. The black one says home sweet home. And then the white one says our family gathers here. Let me know which of the four is your favorite in the comments section below. And then the last item that I have to share was an item that I had no idea was out there, but I was very happy to come across it. And it is an LED lantern from Dollar Tree. It has the little tea light candle in the center. And of all the lanterns that Dollar Tree has carried, this by far is my favorite. So I picked it up in the cream color, but they also had, was it 2 or 3 other colors? I'll put the picture here. Yeah, so it was 2 other colors besides the off-white. That really pretty robin blue, and then the mint green, which I did love those ones as well, but I just went ahead with the beige since it is a more neutral color, and I as I said, they are my favorite lanterns that I've seen at the Dollar Tree so far. Well guys, that will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.